Welcome, everyone. Are you tired of juggling countless fitness tips and struggling to stick to a healthy routine? You're not alone. Today, we're diving into the ultimate guide to healthy foods and routines for men. This video will provide you with a comprehensive blueprint for achieving your fitness goals, optimizing your nutrition, and maintaining a balanced lifestyle. Whether you're a seasoned fitness enthusiast or just starting out, this guide is designed to help you every step of the way. By the end of this video, you'll have a complete understanding of effective workout routines, practical nutrition tips, and how to avoid common pitfalls. Let's transform your approach to health and fitness together. Here's what we'll cover in this ultimate guide. We'll start with essential warm-up exercises to prepare your body for a workout. Then, we'll break down a comprehensive workout routine tailored specifically for men. Next, we'll dive into nutrition tips to fuel your workouts and support overall health. We'll also highlight common mistakes to avoid and share some inspiring success stories. Plus, we'll include visual demonstrations and interactive segments to keep you engaged. Stick around to learn how a few simple changes can revolutionize your fitness journey. You'll discover effective exercises, delicious meal ideas, and tips to overcome common challenges. Let's get started. Before we dive into our workout routine, it's crucial to start with a proper warm-up. Warming up helps prevent injuries and prepares your muscles for exercise. Dynamic stretches begin with arm circles, leg swings, and torso twists. These movements help increase blood flow and flexibility. Jumping jacks. Perform jumping jacks to get your heart rate up and engage your entire body. High knees. Finish with high knees to further elevate your heart rate and warm up your lower body. Now, let's move on to our workout routine. This full body workout is designed to build strength, improve endurance, and enhance overall fitness. Push-ups. Start in a plank position with your hands slightly wider than shoulder width apart. Lower your body until your chest nearly touches the ground, then push back up. Keep your core engaged and body straight. Squats. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart and lower your hips as if you're sitting back into a chair. Ensure your knees don't extend past your toes. Push through your heels to return to the starting position. Bend over rows. Hold a dumbbell in each hand, bend at the waist with a straight back, and pull the weights towards your hips. Squeeze your shoulder blades together at the top of the movement. Plank. Hold a plank position with your elbows under your shoulders and body in a straight line. Engage your core and avoid letting your hips sag. To complement your workout routine, proper nutrition is essential. Here are some key tips for a balanced diet that supports your fitness goals. Protein-rich foods. Incorporate lean proteins like chicken, fish, and legumes to aid muscle recovery and growth. Opt for whole grains, fruits, and vegetables to provide sustained energy for your workouts. Healthy fats. Include sources of healthy fats such as avocados, nuts, and olive oil for overall health and energy. Hydration. Stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water throughout the day, especially before, during, and after exercise. Avoid these common fitness and nutrition mistakes to ensure you're on the right track. Skipping warm-ups. Always warm up before your workouts to prevent injuries and improve performance. Overtraining. Give your muscles time to recover between workouts to avoid burnout and injuries. Ignoring nutrition. Proper nutrition is as important as exercise. Don't neglect your diet when pursuing fitness goals. Success stories. Let's hear from some of our viewers who have transformed their lives using these tips. John lost 20 pounds and built muscle by following the workout routine and focusing on protein-rich foods. Lisa improved her overall fitness and energy levels by incorporating balanced meals and staying hydrated. Throughout this video, you'll see detailed demonstrations of each exercise, nutritional tips, and visual aids like infographics and charts. Pay close attention to these visuals to ensure you're performing exercises correctly and understanding the nutritional advice. I want to hear from you. What's your favorite post-workout meal? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you're up for a challenge, post your workout progress on social media. Tag us. Let's motivate each other. Remember, progress takes time, and consistency is key. Keep pushing forward, stay focused, and you'll see the results you're working towards. You've got this. If you enjoyed this guide and found it helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more fitness tips and healthy lifestyle content. Check out the links in the description for related videos and additional resources. To recap, we covered essential warm-ups, a comprehensive workout routine, crucial nutrition tips, and common mistakes to avoid. Keep these tips in mind to stay on track with your health and fitness goals. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll explore advanced techniques for boosting your metabolism and enhancing your workouts. Safety and disclaimer. Always consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new exercise program, especially if you have existing health conditions. Your safety is our top priority.